How to make a pipe cutter yourself from scrap materials and scrap metal. Millions of people don't know about. It's not difficult. You will need a square steel pipe. Cut 2 rectangular notches in the pipe at an angle of 45 degrees to the pipe. Now bend the pipe at the cutouts so that the cuts meet. Weld the joints of the cuts. Drill through the pipe in 2 places. Weld another pipe with a square profile. The middle between the drill holes should be aligned with the inner surface of the welded pipe. Weld a nut of the appropriate size to the other side of the welded pipe. Paint the resulting structure. Find a screw with dimensions corresponding to the welded pipe and thread like the nut. At the end of the screw, cut a notch for attaching the lathe cutter. Now you need a rectangular metal bar. The size of the bar profile must match the internal size of the welded pipe. Cut a recess in the bar. Drill 2 holes in the recess. Drill the same hole on the other side of the bar. Drill a large hole in the end of the bar. The size of this hole must correspond to the size of the screw. Enlarge the side holes with a larger diameter drill bit. Cut threads in all the small holes. Secure the cutter holder with the bolt prepared earlier. Now attach the lathe cutter. Tighten the screw into the welded nut. Attach the bar to the screw using bolts. Insert the bolts with the bearings onto them into the holes drilled in the pipe. Secure the bolts with nuts. The pipe cutter is ready. This is perhaps the best DIY pipe cutter made from scrap metal. The length of metal cut from the pipe is adjusted with a long screw.